Whenever I get up, I'm like,
you're not dizzy, are you? Just
no, it's just my
your back or yeah. Do they have like a sitz bath where you can sit down in the warm water? That's that.
well, not, it's like a shower and I sit down.
Oh, okay.
So when you said sit down, I
No, this is like
Sorry, man.
they actually, I remember them sending me home with a seat that goes inside on the toilet seat, and you fill it with warm water and sit down, and it's just very relaxing.
Oh.
It was very good. Comfy. There's Pauline. Hello. Hi.
So you go, bud. Yay! Yay! You're all done. Want to wrap you up, huh?
Okay. Are you at your house right now? I don't know. I don't have any set plans. I'll wait till you get here. Okay. There was a plastic grocery bag in the back of my car with.
So what do you think, Sean? How was that changing that diaper there?
Wonderful.
Take a look.
Laundry stuff.
What was in it? What was in it?
There's some sludge in there.
There's some sludge.
Yeah, we had some black sludge.
But now he's just a clean little boy. Yeah, he's a happy, clean little guy.
A little bit.
Where are you taking a nap?
Sean's changing his diaper.
Where are you taking a nap?
We did. I think Dad's taking a movie.
Say hi.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.